Hello, I am Sebastian J. I am a professional makeup artist. I have been doing makeup on myself for about 10 years. I've been doing makeup professionally for close to, I would say, around 3, 4 years. I do work in a retail makeup environment, so I'm exposed to a lot of new releases. I get to play with them firsthand. I do receive a lot of makeup. I purchase a lot of makeup. So I'm just going to be reviewing and giving you tutorials about like the newest things that have come out and new techniques that maybe you don't know about, something from more of a professional point of view. And yeah, my channel is just going to be about makeup and beauty and maybe some skincare. So please tune in and subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. But please stay tuned for future videos. Y'all have a good one. See you later.